see us father and son cook a regular type of popcorn. After all, who doesn't like popcorn? Children love it, adults love it, everyone loves it, from young to old. So that's why we are making popcorn in this video. And my dad will show you how to make it. Now that's enough of talking, guys. Let's get to the ingredients.
Okay, let's start with the ingredients. Dry corn kernels, turmeric powder, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, and finally salt. Dear friends, really my son like popcorn. Do your kids like popcorn? If yes, please come with me. The first step, heat the frying pan, then add oil and butter. Oil and butter. Then mix it very well. Then add the popcorn. Then add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. Then mix it very well. Make sure you have to keep a very low flame. Mix around 1 minute. Then close the lid. Wait for another 5 minutes. Note the point, every 1 minute you have to shake the pan like this. Just have a look, just the corns are popping now. Yes, almost ready now.
Okay, so eating our favorite popcorn while watching our YouTube videos. Really tasty, that I must say. And so can you. Basically play your favorite movie or whatever and then take a popcorn or make it by yourself by following instructions, eat and enjoy. You know what, Dad? This tastes really good actually.
Yeah,
I just love it.
And it is a very, very simple. Anyone can make this. There are 5 items: butter, oil, what?
This is really
Corn.
tasty.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. Corn is very important. So it's very easy actually to make, guys, and you can make it at home. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, share this video to your friends so even they can watch, and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.